Newcastle disease, a highly contagious viral disease that caused devastating economic losses in the global poultry industry. It is a worldwide problem, characterized by digestive, respiratory, and/or nervous signs. Mortality is variable, but can be as high as 100%. Newcastle disease virus is a member of family Paramyxoviridae in the genus Virus. Negative sense, single-stranded RNA virus. NDV, a zoonotic virus that infects many species of birds, both domestic and wild species. Humans may become infected, manifested by unilateral or bilateral reddening, excessive lacrimation, edema of the eyelids, conjunctivitis, and subconjunctival hemorrhage. Newcastle disease can be transmitted through direct contact with secretions of infected birds, principally via ingestion and inhalation. Also, Newcastle disease virus can be transmitted from one village to another via people, vehicles, feeds, and cages, fleas, rodents, dogs, and dead infected animal can also transmit NDV mechanically from infected feces. There is no clear evidence of lice in mechanical transmission. Another important route of transmission is through air. After infection, the virus replicates in the mucosa of the upper respiratory tract and then in the intestinal tracts. It will then spread through blood circulation into spleen and bone marrow, causing infection of other organs. The clinical signs seen in birds infected with NDV vary widely and are dependent on factors such as the virus, the host species, age of host, environmental stress, and immune status of the host. NDV strains can be categorized based on the predominant signs in affected chickens. First is the serotropic velogenic viruses, responsible for disease characterized by acute lethal infections, usually with hemorrhagic lesion in the intestines of dead birds. Then, neurotropic velogenic viruses, causing disease characterized by high mortality, which follows respiratory and neurologic disease, but where gut lesions are usually absent. Mesogenic viruses, causing clinical signs consisting of respiratory and neurologic signs, with low mortality. Lentogenic viruses, causing mild infections of the respiratory tract. Lastly, asymptomatic enteric viruses, causing infection in which replication appears to be for any secondary bacterial infection. For prevention and control, bird-proofing houses, feed, and water supplies. Proper carcass disposal, control influx such as insects and mice. Avoidance of contact with birds of unknown health status. One age group per farm